Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. God bless you for coming back. Now I'll show you how to make 25 liters of liquid soap that is very foamy and highly effective. So sulphonic is the first ingredient I have, and it's 1 liter. Then I have Nitrosol, 500 grams of Nitrosol. This is my soda ash, and my soda ash is 250 grams. Then I have Texapon, 500 grams. I have Caustic Soda, and that is 30 grams of Caustic Soda. I have my fragrance, that is 30 ml of my lemon fragrance. And of course I have my Colorant. This is going to give us lemon green color. So we are going right into the video. First thing I do to dissolve my soda ash in the big bowl. I use 5 liters of water to dissolve my soda ash. I use this big bowl so that it can be easy for me to stir, and also it can dissolve faster than it would have done inside a bucket. So that is why I'm using this big bowl. So with ease and much water, it dissolves so quickly, and then I have to turn it into the bucket and keep aside. So you stir very well. Now when you have a bigger space and you have anything to dissolve with water, it dissolves faster than when you are doing it in a small container. That's the idea behind using this big bowl to dissolve my soda ash. So after dissolving it completely, then I will now turn it aside and continue with the video. Guys, click your skin on this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share this video to your friends. Thank you. So see what I'm doing in the video. After dissolving it completely, I turn it into this bucket, and that is 5 liter mark of the bucket. So I pour everything inside the bucket, and I kept it aside. So now I'm going to be dissolving the other ingredients. So in this one, all the water I measure out is 20 liters, and I'm going to use everything to make this soup. So the water, I just poured some into the big bowl again. Then I'm going to dissolve my sulphonic acid. This particular bottle I'm pouring in is 850 ml of sulphonic acid, while I have the other one, very small one, to make it up the 1 liter of sulphonic acid. So I use up everything because I want the soap to be very foamy. If you guys, sulphonic acid makes the soap to foam very well. Or you have to have accurate measurements so that you don't overdo it, because it has a way also of making your soap watery. The measurement is not balanced. Okay, so right from the stirring of the sulphonic acid, you can see that the soap is going to be very foamy. That is why this new recipe I discovered, I want to stick to it because it's very good. So you can see after stirring, look at it, very foamy. This is only sulphonic acid that I'm having. So now it's time for me to add my Texapon. So I'll add Texapon and then mix it again very well. As you are mixing, you are going to be feeling it in your hand, whether it's smooth or not, without touching the liquid, without opening it up to see what's going on. With the stick in your hand, you will know whether it's mixing up very well or not, because of the resistance that you are going to be feeling on the stick. So after adding the Texapon, it's time to stir it very well, vigorously. Stir it vigorously, and the more you are stirring, the more the foam is being produced. That is the secret, and that is the reason for choosing the recipe. So you stir very well. You can see how foamy it's looking. Just 2 ingredients already: sulphonic acid and Texapon. Don't forget sulphonic is 1 liter, while Texapon is 500 grams, half a kg. Just to make sure that everything is properly mixed. I always emphasize on thorough because we are doing manual production of this. With machines, you don't need to take time. Just press it and one hand, everything is mixed together. But here, you have to do it very well because it's a manual process. So now it's time for me to dissolve my Nitrosol. Now the water I have in this bucket is 10 liters, and I poured everything, all the Nitrosol into the water. And you have to step back because Nitrosol can easily fall in love if you abandon it. Start pouring in and stirring just to make sure that everything is just completely. So stir it all the lumps are completely dissolved. Now you got to stir because I this one right there on top of the stone. You continue to stir it just to make sure that you have a kind of homogeneous mixture. So now it's time for me to dissolve our soda. Just dissolve the caustic soda and add it to Nitrosol solution. Now this caustic soda thickens that immediately. You can see the thickness of the mixture. After adding your caustic soda, the mixture is thick, and that is going to boost the soap and give it high quality, texture and the foaming ability. So I mix it up very well. As you can see in the video, the Nitrosol and caustic soda solution is already very beautiful. The consistency is wonderful, and thickness is wow. So I want to add it together. I poured this into the first bowl. So what I'm pouring in there is the Nitrosol, which I've already dissolved, and added my Litre, which is caustic soda solution, and the house thing. This is not the regular method of making soap like you used to know, and this method guarantees the soap will foam very well and also wash it very effectively. Okay, now time to mix up very well. Stir it very well, and you will notice that the more you are stirring, the more the foam improves. And if you add your soda ash solution into it immediately, it might not be able to contain because of the foamy part of it. So what I did is to allow some time so that the foamy part of the soap go down. So you don't need to rush so that you don't waste your product. Just allow it to naturally blend the foam and then your soda ash solution. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm allowing that I poured I kept it this way and allowed before I decided to add my soda ash solution. So that is, I've added my soda ash solution to it. Now the time for final stirring. But don't forget to add your fragrance and colorant at this point now. For this video, I use lemon fragrance and lemon color. I love it together. Now I added the lemon fragrance, just 30 ml. I added everything because I like it to come out in the soap very well. Now lemon color is always very nice for washing soap. When you are using it, you like it. It's very friendly to the kitchen. Okay, so that colorant I'm trying to dissolve now is going to give us lemon green. Even though it appears like as if it's orange color, but when you add water here, add to the mixture, it's going to give us green color. So now I've dissolved it and I'm adding it into the soap solution. Then I think to give us lemon color. Even as you're adding it, look as if this is yellow or no, it's actually lemon color. So the next thing is now you have added everything needed to add it. The next thing is just to stir it very well so that it will mix up properly before you can leave it to cool down, and then you can now package the soap ready. Thank you guys for always clicking on my videos. I can't appreciate you all enough. God bless you.